old clutch setup. We have run this for I think 3 or 4 years. We only changed the disc so far. It's a Tilton OT2 pressure plate with the original M102 flywheel. We have lightened it so much that we had to go with the bolt and washer straight through because it's too thin, and we also had to TIG weld the starter, what's it called, like the starter gear, to not fall off when we drive. After all these years, there's starting to get too much wear on it, so we have to change to something better. We're gonna go for a little bit heavier clutch and stuff to help handle the heat a bit better, and also get some better weight to kick the tires loose easier. So our new setup we've taken from Bakaxeldelar. It's this setup. It's a Tenaci Motorsport flywheel for the OM606 and M104 engine. And we bought a back plate that's removable, so if it gets worn down we can change it. It has 3 different step downs depending on the wear on the clutch discs. You can put it down to get the same amount of pressure of the clutch discs. So together with the back plate we have the Sachs Race Engineering pressure plate, 200 millimeters, together with the Tenaci Motorsport's clutch discs. And then we have the upgraded middle floater from Tenaci Motorsports as well. It's a bit sturdier and can handle the heat a bit better. Together with this, it should be able to handle up to 1650 Newton meters. The total weight will be 12 kilos instead of the old weight. This was 9.7 kilos. So it's going to be able to handle the heat better. It's going to be able to kick the tires loose easier, and it's going to take the abuse a bit better. So it's going to be fun to try it out. And right now we have compared all the heights and stuff to get the offset right for the gearbox. So now we're going to leave it to a guy who's going to put it in the lathe and make everything fit. So hopefully it will be done this week, so next week I mean, so let's go. Now we're at the Tobias garage and we're gonna bend some tubes for the reinforcement of the front strut towers, so let's go. Yeah. Jag får berätta vad det här är.
Och det här är en BMW med turbo.
Med turbo?
Den sitter där.
Inte vilken turbo som helst, utan en Varvarner turbo.
The best of the best.
Ja, men det är en V10, M5 V10 med dubbla Varvarner S369, va?
369 är det.
Och så SMG-låda med lite elektronisk styrning för att kunna köra drifting.
Och så garaget ser ut som alla andras garage, typ skit överallt och sådär. Men
det är så det är när man jobbar. När man jobbar så är det.
Ja. Jag tänkte städa idag, vi får se hur det går med det.
Ja. Lägger du upp något om bygget eller är du helt död?
Instagram lägger upp lite bilder, va?
Ja. Och vad heter det där då?
Vet du det? Tobias Soderen.
Soderen?
Ja, fan, man får ju ta över.
Tror jag. it's time to weld the holes in the body. Stefan has made some small plates to seal the holes. So and he just grinded them off, so it's time to get some welding done. Don't you say so?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoop whoop. Is it flush, Stefan?
It's pretty flush.
It's good. Of course, when you're gonna weld, the batteries for the welding helmet goes out, so Stefan is going to go buy some new batteries, and I'll try to get some work done when I wait for him. Always something. So we just removed the pedal box. We run a Tilton 600 series pedal box, and we've been really satisfied with it so far. But the only thing we haven't done correctly so far has been the throttle wire. So we don't have a good solution for this yet. So that's one of the tasks we have to fix for the season. So we have to rebuild this and get a proper mounting for the throttle wire. So yeah, another task going to get started right now.